To the students, listeners, and everyone watching, greetings and have a blessed day. I am Ernestine Gidihan from PUP Talisay Campus. As the upcoming election approach, various promises, programs, and platforms will be presented before the people in order to make their names appear clean. Every word has a purpose to gain our trust. But behind these grand words, where can we find true honor of public service? Is it found in appearance and platforms, or in a leader with the pure intentions and without any trace of wrongdoing? And here I stand before you, firm and determined that I support the implementation of mandatory drug testing for all government officials. As a public servants, it is the responsibility of officials to uphold integrity, morality, and discipline. How can we expect honest service if they themselves may be involved in the use of illegal drugs? Drug testing is not an act of destroying someone's reputation, but concrete step to ensure that those in government are role models of the citizen. Public service is not a privilege but an obligation that must be carried out with honor and honesty. A public servant must be an example of discipline. If ordinary workers are required to undergo drug testing before entering a job, why does it seem questionable when it's applied to higher-ranking officials? Isn't the responsibility greater? And therefore, shouldn't they be held to higher moral standard? This step is aligned with the Civil Service Commission Memorandum Circular Number 13 Series of 2017, which established random drug testing for government officials and employees. Those who test positive will undergo confirmatory testing, and, if necessary, rehabilitation. And that's all for this video. Thank you.